Welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this short video tutorial, we're gonna have a look at how to hide rows in an Excel spreadsheet. Simple and easy. Thanks to this, you'll be able to hide information you don't want to share in the table. Let's get started. There are more ways to hide a row or rows in a spreadsheet. Here, I'll introduce two of them. Let's crack on with the first one. First, highlight the row you'd like to hide. This can be done through a click on the bar of numbers, selecting the relevant row. If you wish to hide more rows at once, press the Shift key and click on each of the rows you want to hide. If the rows you want to hide are not consecutive, which means they do not lie next to each other, use the Control key instead of Shift. Once you've selected all the necessary rows, use the right-click button to see the Hide option. The hidden rows are not visible in the table on the screen. They also won't to be printed out if you were to do so with the spreadsheet. But they've not been deleted. You can unhide them anytime. Alright, let's undo the changes now and let's have a look at the other way to hide rows too. Select the rows again, this time by dragging. Then go to Home tab, Cells section. Use Format button to get to the Format menu. Find Hide and Unhide option and select Hide Rows. And the work's done. To see how to unhide rows in Excel, watch the next video tutorial from Excel Made Easy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.